Ships and boats are amongst the older forms of transport and commerce that can transport goods and people over long distances. Since our planet Earth is covered 70% by water, therefore ships and boats historically have been crucial ways to discover new resources and explore new lands. Even after the advent of commercial air, rail and road transport, they provide a reliable and cost-effective way to transfer materials. So in today's activity, our objective is to make a Wi-Fi controlled boat. This boat will remain stationary until we give a command. Through our commands, the boat can move in 3 directions: forward, left, and right. This design will help us understand how to create a boat structure that can float and also create a propelling mechanism that is controlled by a wireless remote. Let's build it. For the body of the boat, we will take 4 2-hole elbows, for 1-hole beam, 2 1-hole elbows and 1 5-hole beam and attach them. Make 3 more sub-assemblies like this with the same set of parts mentioned above. Now we have 4 sub-assemblies that will form the body of the boat. Connect them in pairs of 2 with the help of 2 male-to-male couplers. Next, take 2 5-hole beams, and 2 male-to-male couplers and attach 1 male-to-male coupler to the 5-hole beam brick. Use these 2 structures as connectors to join the 2 previous sub-assemblies together. Now take 2 1-hole elbows and 2 1-hole beams. Attach them in an L shape as shown. Repeat the process to create another L shape. Take the 2 motor and driver blocks and attach the L shape to the motor holder on the BO motor. The L-shaped structure will help connect the BO motors to the boat's body. Complete this step by attaching the motors to the body. Now it's time to create the propellers. For each propeller you will need 6 3-hole elbows, 1 1-hole beam, BO shaft and 2 male-to-male couplers. Assemble them as shown. The propeller blade created from the 3-hole elbows will be attached to the side. Repeat the process to create another propeller. Now attach the propellers on both the motors. To keep the boat and propeller buoyant in water, take 2 small-size plastic bottles and insert them into the empty slots in the boat's body. This completes the assembly of the body of the boat. Connect the battery to the battery holder and attach it to the boat structure. To secure the boat's logic properly on the body, attach 2 blocks holders. The last step is to create the logic for the boat's working. First, connect the power blocks to the dual-channel Wi-Fi blocks. Then join both the motor driver bloxes to the Wi-Fi blocks. Now let's see how to connect and control Wi-Fi blocks using our mobile phone. First, turn on the power blocks. This ensures that the Wi-Fi blocks is receiving power. Now turn on your phone's Wi-Fi and go to the Wi-Fi settings. Here search for the Wi-Fi network with the name Wi-Fi Clip V2. Now connect to the Wi-Fi Clip V2 by entering the password of the Wi-Fi blocks. The password is mentioned on the Wi-Fi chip. Once the password is entered correctly, it will display connected. Now head over to the Wi-Fi Clip app. Now select Dual Channel Wi-Fi blocks. There are two outputs waiting for your commands. You can also switch to sports mode by clicking this button. Next we will attach the logic of the boat and voila! Your Wi-Fi boat is now ready for use. Such wireless controlled boats can be used in mining and explorations, search operations, transportation of key materials, cleanup of spillages and educational purposes.